All right, Mike, what are your thoughts here about the way Hank Brennan presented this, what the jury will think of it, and what was Karen Read doing? Where was she going?
I think I think Hank Brennan did it the right way. Hank Brennan wanted to give the defense a lot to deal with. He knew that they were limited to an hour and 15-minute closing argument, and maybe he thought to himself, this is a throwaway argument. They're not going to have time to respond to it. I want to put it in the jury's mind. Here's what I think is going to happen. If the jury believes Jen McCabe and Carrie Roberts, both of their testimony, they will infer that Karen Read used that time to come up with a defense theory as she sobered up. Because McCabe testified that Karen Read told her that she left John at the waterfall, and then after Jen McCabe outed her for that, she then, that she's, hey, I saw you at Fairview. Then we know that Carrie Roberts testified that Karen Read told her that John O'Keefe might have been hit with a snowplow. So again, if the jury buys that testimony, they will infer that she was testing out theories as she sobered up from the night before. It's a little bit conspiratorial, but then again, that's the brand of this case. If, however, they do not buy either one of these women's testimony, then I don't think they'll spend a lot of time trying to figure it out, and they'll kind of more focus on the more suggestive evidence. But that's why I think Hank Brennan threw it in there, because he knew that they only had 75 minutes to contend with his closing arguments. So I think that's why he did it.